Welcome to Cabello Chave Professional. I am Sabira Sheikh, Technical Director at Cabello Chave Professional. In this exclusive training session, we'll take you through the Neoplex hair treatment, a revolutionary Brazilian formula designed to repair, strengthen and protect hair from damage. This step-by-step guide will help you to achieve flawless results. Before applying any treatment, it is crucial to assess the hair type, porosity and damage level. This helps us determine the right approach for the best results. To prepare the hair for treatment, we use the Neoplex pre-shampoo. This removes impurities, product buildup and swell the hair cuticles for better absorption. Wet the hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Apply a generous amount of Neoplex pre-shampoo. Massage gently using a circular motion for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on the scalp to stimulate blood circulation. Rinse thoroughly. Make sure the lather is removed completely. If scalp is oily, sticky, repeat the process once again. Towel dry the hair. Make sure roots to be 100% dry and keep the moisture mid to ends like 50%. Divide it into 4 sections. Take 40 to 45 ml of Neoplex protein sealant treatment in a bowl. Before applying the product, if needed, use the spray water to intake the moisture. Using an applicator brush, apply the product evenly, taking a 1/4-inch gap from roots. Apply the product, drag it and then comb it 4 to 5 times for proper distribution. Leave it for 50 minutes. As we know, this treatment is vegan. It takes time to penetrate heart of the hair, repairing bonds and restoring strength and elasticity. Once the processing time is complete, proceed with blast dry for at least 5 minutes. After that, blow dry the hair section by section with round brush. Let's start with ironing process. For virgin or resistant hair, set the flat iron 250 degrees Celsius with 7 to 10 strokes in each and every section for optimal smoothness. For pre-lighted or chemically treated hair, reduce the heat to 190 degrees Celsius and 5 to 7 strokes per section to achieving a flawless finish. After ironing, cool dry the hair for 1 minute. Then rinse thoroughly with Neoplex shampoo, which contains green caviar, aloe vera extract, malic acid with the pH between 4.5 to 5.5. It helps to maintain protein fibers and balance the pH level of hair. Apply the Neoplex mask from roots to ends. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes to maintain the moisture. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. This step deep nourishes the hair. After rinsing out the mask, gently towel dry the hair and apply 2 to 4 drops of Neoplex serum according to the hair density, which helps to protect from UVA, UVB rays and also protect from dust and elements. Blast dry the hair 100% and you can achieve healthy, shiny, manageable look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more professional haircare trainings.